1, 2, 3. Hello, could you please give me your support? I have this machine. This is the light machine. Currently I'm having the following problem. When the machine is trying to send to home, to reference, appear this message. Access enable meeting for X or for C, or for X or for C. So please I need your support because I have loaded. I have loaded the startup arcade program, but the problem is now it is loaded the last backup problem, but now the machine doesn't work. So please I need your support to solve this problem. Now I following arcade, restore startup archive. Using the USB. I am using this Arc startup program. So this is the last version that I am using from the program. But even now I have tried for the option for the startup archive. Oil file. So even here now I have used these two options. But the problem is even this option I have loaded to the machine but doesn't work. So as you see here the machine, when trying to reference the machine, appear the problem access enabled. Please use support to solve this problem for this machine. Thanks.